Hi Yogita, welcome to Global Influencers Hub. Here we talk about the life journeys of social media influencers, and we cannot wait to deep dive into yours. When we talk about deep diving, it means talking from your childhood.
Oh my God.
So, yes, yes, that's where it all began.
Maybe
So,
somehow, yes. Because
yes,
a
yes.
child in you actually knows what you want to do in the future.
Yeah, of course. Well, so tell us about how Yogita was as a child.
Oh my God. Well, I was not prepared for this, but yes, this is actually going. I was actually a very bright child. I was loved one. People, I used to have a lot of friends and all. Yeah, so I was a good child, I believe. Like, not the one who will get 99 out of 100, but like, the merits one who are active everywhere, like doing the fun part also, doing the good school also. Kabhi kabhi डांट भी लग रही है, in that kind of a child.
Okay, cool. Well, was there one person who influenced you as a child?
I mean, उस time पे नहीं, I think so, but I feel my mother is someone who has been a part of a version of me basically, because now I feel there are some things that she's such a strong woman. She has done so many things, and I think so she's the only one who can inspire me.
Perfect. Very good. Very good. So now let's talk about, so after you grew up, like what was your journey like? So kya kiya aapne? Like what happened?
I think the only mantra of my life has been is go with the flow. So I think I was the only one person. I know, when I was a teen, I think in ninth or tenth, no, I know there were girls talking about boyfriends and how they want to get married and what kind of langa they want to wear. But I was always, go with the flow. I'm not worried about anything and all. Just doing little things, and step by step things happen, and I just accepted them with love. So I think that's kind of a person I am.
Basically, you were living your life, not
Yes.
planning too much, not
Yes,
planning too
not
much.
planning, not at all planning.
Ekdam.
And
That's
now
a
I
lot
know
like,
I have done really amazing thing, because sometimes in families you ended up fighting for reasons or things those are actually not even going to happen in your life.
totally, completely agreed. Completely agreed. Itna planning, itna socho. I mean, come on, Absolutely. So from fashion to parenting. So how did you balance all this content that you have a varied audience? So how tell us all about how it came about. Like where did it all start? What was your aha moment?
So, well, as I started with blog, I mean, I was actually into digital marketing. Okay. So, from digital marketing, I came into blogging. And from blogging, I came into the social media. And of course, as a girl, I always used to love, buying jewelry, dress up, and all, putting lipstick in the office washroom and all. So, I was that kind of a person. And धीरे धीरे when I got married, of course, parenting content was not something that I was planning, but then it came into my life as soon as I became my mother. I think I became a mother basically, right? And then I used to click her pictures, and then I used to start sharing what I feel or what I've been going through, and people loved it. People accepted it. They could relate with me. So I think that's how the transition happened.
Wonderful. So but what inspired you to become a content creator in fashion and lifestyle?
That I think I always people love to take advices from me, and people always appreciated my point of view or what I have bought or something like that in my
Mhm.
small space.
Mhm.
And internet was something that I was very fascinating about. Like, let's say, let me tell you, I think you asked this question in the very starting. When I was in school, in the school, I think in 8th class we got our computer lab.
Of course. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, in 8th class now kids know everything, like even 5-year-old know everything, right? Those CRT computers. And when I came across this computer, I was so fascinating. And then again, this internet, Oh my god. I think that time only I knew that I will be doing something related to internet, but I was not aware I'll be doing this thing.
What you wanted to do, you didn't know, but you knew that you had to do something with the internet.
Internet, yes, this computer, internet
Wonderful. So
technology,
maybe you just
and
manifested all of it, you know. You probably just manifested all of it that, kuch na
this is
kuch to
what I'm
karna
telling
hai.
you. This is what I mean. No, actually, I think you go with the flow. You take little steps. You think about what you want, and sometimes it actually unfolded, even you don't know how.
Very true. Very true. Very true. So what's your favorite type of content? Like when you create content, is it like reels or vlogs or like blogs, photo shoots, post kya bahut
I'm
अच्छा
really
content
enjoying reels and I enjoy photo shoots also.
hai?
Before getting married, I was doing a lot of photo shoots, and that time I think photos was the main content. Video was not that much content. I really enjoy photo shoots and videos. I blogs. I'm not creating much because somehow they are not getting even voice. Also, people have switched on to Instagram and YouTube for the video content instead of reading. But yes, my blogging journey has given me enough memories to cherish for, enough opportunities. So I'm always, as soon as if people start reading again, I will be happy to write more and more and more.
Okay. So that is something that's somewhere how you express yourself. You
Yeah,
express yourself
blogging,
as well. Yeah.
blogging, even in the video content where I'm talking, we are talking about my, some experience or some journey. I think I really enjoy those kind of things
Of course. Of
where
course.
I can be the candid person, and there's no script. There's no brand endorsement. You can talk about what you feel like. Maybe people can judge you for that, but you are what you are.
Absolutely. So be authentic, which is the best part of absolutely being a content creator.
Yes.
Excellent. So who's your ultimate fashion or lifestyle icon?
I like to follow a lot of Bollywood content, right? So Deepika Padukone, in fact, I created one look from inspired from Deepika Padukone. I mean, though I know she's so chic, she's so beautiful, she's so graceful, but still I dare to create that content. It's live. I think I did in the last month only, and minimal fashion, I will say, that I really like. Then Sushmita Sen, she's such a graceful woman. I really relate with her thoughts. Vidya Balan, how she drapes sarees and all, how she carries. Oh my God, she's such a graceful person. So yeah, I mean, I like Bollywood inspired fashion that I do a lot.
Wonderful.
I try
Now
to create those
parenting
looks. I try to create those looks, basically.
looks wonderful. Excellent. So now the mom side, the parenting part.
Oh my
So
God.
tell us more about that. It's magical and chaotic both. So tell us about what you have to say about all that.
They say this being mommy is such a magical thing, as at the same time it's very tiring, sometimes it's very overwhelming. You ended up sometimes in a lot of tears because you think you are doing wrong, or maybe you're not giving enough time, or you scolded your child, or something, things are like that. And I think it's a part of this parenting package everyone has to go through, right? So
That's the journey. That's the journey.
but when you get the hugs
Yeah,
from your child, when you get those little moments from your child, I think those cover up everything, and you start feeling, okay, yeah, this is such a blessing I have, and I should be grateful. That's how it
wonderful.
goes. A mix of it.
Absolutely, absolutely. So now, how has motherhood actually influenced you?
Well, I think with motherhood, I think I know that, okay, don't stress too much. Okay, it's okay if you're not a good mom. It's okay if you are scolding your child. Gentle parenting is there, but it's okay if you can't be gentle every time. It's okay. For every person it is a different journey, and you must enjoy that. It's okay to have low moments and just go with the flow, enjoy your little life, go slow, don't panic so much. That's what I think I'm trying to learn even
Absolutely,
now.
absolutely, absolutely. Now, give us three parenting hacks that you think that every mom should just have.
I told you already in the last question. Go slow. It's okay. It's okay. Now my
Not to.
not to hurry up, because now my child is going to be in first grade, and after these summer vacations, she'll be coming at 4 p.m. and I'm really nervous at the same time. I'm very happy that she'll be coming at 4, and I'll be having more time. But at the same time, I'm worried she's going at 7 and then coming at 4. This is such a long time. So
Of
enjoy
course.
this phase basically, and then maybe be grateful for everything, because I know sometimes even I was someone who was very depressed in certain things when I was not doing well or something like that. So just be grateful for whatever you have. Try to have a little time for yourself, because when you are gentle on yourself, you can be gentle on others too, your
Of course.
child too.
That's a great message. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to be gentle. You just can't always curse yourself. You're not doing this, I'm not doing that. That's something really
Doesn't work like
annoying.
that. Yeah. Yeah. True.
So that's
True.
something I would say.
Do your kids give feedback on your content?
Sometimes sometimes she doesn't actually. She actually, maybe because she's checking me, getting corner. Sometimes she want to create reels and all, shorts and all. She's very happy about it, but I think she's too young to give this opinion. But when I show, I mean, in fact, my last content I showed her, "Dekho, Rubika, dekho, how's it you, Mama? It's very nice." She said
Oh, how
something like that.
sweet, of course. Now, screen time for kids, yes or no? Yay
Yes,
or
of
nay?
course. Yes, of course it is there. I will not lie. Sometimes she use phone also. Though we try to have a little control, ki she doesn't watch something that is irrelevant or that might affect her growth. But yes, she does have screen time. We try to engage her with certain activities and all, but we can't say no to screen time also.
I know, that's true. It's like every parent is like almost like, fighting with that aspect of
Yeah, and when especially
parenthood.
when you have the vacations and all, and you don't have your family here, where you can go to dadi, chachi, nani, they don't have here, right? What they will do, and you can't sit with full day with them and just play. The kids get bored so quickly. From 6 a.m. she is like, "Mere saath khelo, mere saath khelo." I want to sleep at that time. Please let me sleep. So it's okay. I mean, I just accept that. It's okay if she's watching little more TV. It's okay.
I know. Like you said, go slow and don't fret about everything, every detail.
Yeah.
True, 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 true. So now tell us about your book, Time to Say Thank You. By the way, I love the name of the book. It's beautiful. So tell us a little more about that.
The book came just because of the Dhruvika. Of course, I never thought to be a book author also. And see, Touchwood are we are so blessed that we have everything. We have a room full of toys. We have so many things. Every time she goes out, she asks something new. Sometimes she get also, right. So that time I realized, she's such a blessed child, but still she I feel bhi agar every time you're going out, I still want something new. I still want something new. So I realized I'll write a song कि उसके अंदर I'll tell her that she has already so many things, right? So that's how I actually mention all the major points there, that it's time to say thank you for the family, food. We are blessed. We have toys, we have school, we have teachers. So that's how it came, and it was actually a nighttime before a book. It was a nighttime song for her. So before she used to sleep, I used to sing this for her. And one fine day, we were on a vacation, and my husband and my child was asleep. This is actually they sleep earlier than me, right? So I'm a kind of a night person, and I got this idea: when every mother is struggling with the same thing, they want their kid to be thankful, then why not? It's time to say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So anything next on the writing front?
I'm not sure, not at all. But I really enjoy that. And let me tell you one thing. I actually wrote few kavitas and few poems for her. In fact, right now it's not. It's time to say thank you is not her favorite poem, I will say. But there's another thing that I sing for her. Tall Baba, Tall Baba. So this is a poem in, and that in पूरी जो उसकी family है ना, उनका name आता है. Okay, so tall Baba, what do you see? I see the short daddy looking at me.
Oh,
Short daddy, what do you see? I see the naughty Chico. So the full family came into that one night
that
lonely.
song, that song.
Now she's addicted to that. Literally, she's addicted to that.
Oh my God, how
I
sweet.
think this is a little part of me that enjoy writing sometimes, and I do that. It can be
Fantastic.
easy
And
when
I think you've been so good at it. And I feel that that's what your calling is as well. Like, it's like internally you just love expressing yourself and you're so creative that I think that's the best aspect I feel that you
maybe
really like.
maybe I wrote few kavitas. I wrote I love when I write. Actually, I enjoy my
Mm.
writings.
Mm.
So yeah, that's how writing is, I think, kind of my soul thing. It comes from the heart. I'm not doing regular ones. Let me tell you, I won award, not award, but I won a lakh rupees pass for India Today conclave for writing a blog.
Wow. Congratulations.
Yes, so it was, I think, in 2014 or 15 I wrote a blog, and it was about if you want to reinvent Earth or something like that, then how you will do. It is still live on my blog, but for that blog I won that 1 lakh rupees pass, and I'm so proud of.
Of course. Of course, of course. So, maybe that's your purpose, maybe that's your purpose of, maybe with your words and with your writing, that's how you influence people. And, you know, maybe people
People
are
can
getting
tell more about it. People
inspired.
then can
Yeah, 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 yeah. So, what's your message to, other mothers who are actually juggling with motherhood, career, and everything?
I think the only thing is take it slow, be little grateful, take time for yourself. Because I feel people might say I'm selfish, I'm talking about taking care of yourself, but until and unless you will not take care of yourself, your mind, your body, you can't be gentle, or can't be good with others.
No, no, that is very important, and I love the fact that
Because
we are all talking about it.
हाँ,
It is so important
it is
because
because a lot of people say ना, नहीं नहीं अब माँ बन गए, सब कुछ बच्चा है, नहीं अब सब कुछ फैमिली है, करियर कुछ, no, you have to look after yourself also. If something is giving you happiness, you need to give that happiness to yourself.
absolutely part
Yeah.
of self care. You have to do it. There is no
Yeah.
like ifs and buts about it. So, what's your idea of success?
That's a I still have to achieve it. So let's take a little time for that. I have not. I told you I don't plan anything, right? So I have not planned that.
Go with the flow.
But
Go
it
with the
will
flow.
be
Yeah.
massive. It
Mhm.
will be massive.
Okay. So
And
now you have
I
multiple.
think let me tell you something. I'm sorry to cut you in short,
No,
but to
no, no, no,
add
no, no.
value, for me, the idea of success to add value in people's life, to add happiness in others' life. That's what I feel with my brands, with my products, and with my content.
Of course, wonderful. Now there are so many hats that you wear. There is Fab. There's Let Us Publish. There's Dream Tech. Now, how are you managing all these ventures?
So I have three blogs basically. Okay, dreamtechie.com, letuspublish.com, and then Fab is now he, she, and baby.com. Because as I told you, it was fashion and beauty blogger, but then I got married and then made the dimag mein khurap aa chali, and I turned it into he, she, and baby.com. So blogs, as I said, they are going a little slow because, of course, people are also not spending much time there, and I don't even have a lot of time. But I do once a while whenever I feel like. But my main babies are like my Instagram right now and my YouTube. That is again I'm not focusing on. I am the book author, so I try to talk about my book and my main baby. Like अभी जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा attention चाहिए is my jewelry brand. I think you
Mm.
don't know about that. I have a jewelry brand, and now we
Oh,
are on Amazon also.
okay, okay, okay.
It's getting retailed with the name My First Love by Yogita, and I think the name says itself. Jewelry was always my first love. So yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. Do you follow up vision boards to manifest these or just go with
So it
the.
came so randomly. I can't even tell you how randomly, but people loved my collection so much. I used to deal in this anti-tarnish jewelry, right? The stainless steel jewelry, and people love to wear my jewelry. लोगों ने साल भर पहन के बोर होके they came to me, please give me some another piece, because it is so affordable also, right? And it was mainly an offline business I was doing from the home. but now we are going to focus more online.
Wonderful. You know, I love jewelry myself, so I'm going to connect with you offline as well. Because I'm a jewelry junkie. I mean, I love jewelry, like all kinds of jewelry. So I would love to
People,
know more about it.
for jewelry, I think how it came to people loved my collection so much, and of course the quality that I'm saying. And as I mentioned, I really try to add a little value of giving happiness. So when I even I'm packing a parcel, I might add two candies to that. Those unexpected perks add way more than value.
Of course. Of
So
course.
that's something I try to do.
Absolutely. Now, do you have like a message for other women entrepreneurs?
No, not now, but I think just enjoy, go slow again, because I know I could have done much way more than things, but I'm not able to. Limited sources, limited time, but still I'm happy. Be grateful. I think that being grateful is such an important part that I'm practicing, and I'm trying to release all the negative energies. Please go away. I don't need you.
No, no,
keep
very good,
yourself
very good.
keep
Wonderful, wonderful.
yourself free from the negative energies, negative people, negative situations. It's okay if something happens, just let it go, let it go. That's what I'm trying
Excellent.
to do.
Fantastic, fantastic. Let's jump into some rapid fire.
Okay.
Coffee or green tea?
Always a tea. Not green tea, not coffee.
Just tea. Okay. One word that describes Yogita.
For 2025, I think it will be being grateful. I'm a grateful person now.
Wonderful. One thing you never leave your home without.
Phone, I can't do it. No one can do it actually now. You have everything in the phone only.
Without, yeah, on the phone. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So one mistake you think new influencers make.
They are very smart. It's okay. No, no, no one makes any mistake. They're very smart.
Any myth that you'd like to bust about influencer life or anything like that?
Our life is amazing. No, it's not. We do have our share of struggles. We do have our share of tears. We do have our share of problems. Content creation is not easy. Please note down. And don't forget that. Especially with the kids, with the pets. Oh my god, it is the biggest struggle. Please be gentle with mom bloggers.
Wonderful. No, that's a good message, of course. Absolutely. Now, there was another question which was, parenting mantra that you swear by. So I would take it that you should just take it slow. That is
So,
that is
so
probably your
enjoy,
mantra, and
enjoy,
that is
enjoy,
something
enjoy,
that I can
enjoy
do.
the phase you are in. It's okay to take help from others. It's okay if your husband is doing equal things. Sometimes, okay, let me tell you, a lot of moms I heard, so they are insecure कि अगर उनके husband ज़्यादा काम करेंगे ना तो बच्चा will incline towards the father. They have that kind of insecurity. I know such mom. It's okay, it's okay. He's the father. Let him do the things. It's okay.
So ठीक है ना. Good for the mom actually.
हाँ, ये पेरेंट
अच्छी
सी
बात है.
बच्चा
हाँ,
किसी एक का
हाँ.
नहीं है, राइट? यू बोथ शेयर इक्वल थिंग्स, इट्स ओके.
Of course, of course. Last thing you googled.
Last thing you googled? Okay, I'm looking some jewelry wholesalers for one particular time.
Wow, very cool. Kids show that you secretly enjoy.
It was not kids show, but my daughter has been greatest fan of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma from last 6-7 months. She's in love with the show. She wants to go to the set of the Gokul Dham Society. So I think it's actually a family show. So whenever I also sit, I enjoy that.
Fantastic. Now, if you had to write a book on yourself, what would the name of the book be?
On myself? No, I'll not write.
No?
Maybe some other person can do that.
So suppose someone else wants to write it. What do you think? What would be a nice name for the book?
Chaotic.
Nice, nice, cool. It's trendy. It's cool. It'll be catchy. I think that'll be cool. That's cool. Wonderful. Now let's talk about your social media. Like, how did it grow? What happened? You talk about your followers. the funniest DM you've received?
So social media has been very kind to me, but at the same time, social media, that is Instagram algorithms and all, they are not really kind, and it's not for me, but it's for the community only, right? I enjoy sharing content. I love how people relate with my content, and I try to create content that is more relatable, or maybe that entertain or that educate. So I try to do that kind of thing. Funniest team DM will be, there are boys and uncles, they're stalking on Instagram. You're very beautiful. I mean, I found them funny only because, of course, I don't consider them important enough. So, will you go out with me or something like that? You just can't deal with it.
Of course, of course. Now, other than that, is there a DM that sticks out on your mind that that is something that you've made a difference in someone's life or something like that?
Not really.
Not really. Wonderful. Excellent. So anything else you'd like to share, Yogita?
It was amazing actually having this conversation with you. So I actually, you just reminded me of my childhood. When you said childhood, I actually imagined myself in my 8th standard school dress, and that was so beautiful.
It is, isn't it? That is the main thing is that that's what the Influencers Hub platform is about, your life journey, because so that people actually understand what you go through. Because otherwise people just think that, oh, influencer hai. But what was your journey like? कैसे शुरुआत हुआ?
I
शुरुआत तो हमारा बचपन से हुआ है.
No, I want to tell you, influencer journey, creator journey, or any other successful person, people actually see what we are trying to show, or we
Exactly.
try to show the good things, because of course nobody will come on my feed to see ki how Yogita is crying. People
Of
will,
course.
right?
Hmm.
People, why would internet want to see Yogita crying? They want to see doing something interesting, right? We
Of
don't show
course.
that life, so please don't fall for that. The life in the
Exactly.
reels is
Exactly.
not something that is true.
Of course. Of course. Absolutely, absolutely. What do you do, Bud? A message for Global Influencers Hub that you have? How was it like?
I would love to meet all of you guys.
Oh, how sweet.
I don't know if you know about that, but when I started as a blogger, there was this community indie blogger. Okay, and I was the part of it, and that's how with the indie blogger, I will say, I think I got deep into the blogging and social media, because they used to do a lot of fun events. We used to attend a lot of events. A lot of celebrities were there. I came into this basically proper blogging को मैंने काफी serious लिया because of that. And I really miss that kind of community where all the creators are coming together. They're meeting. They are having tea parties and all. So I would really love to. Maybe you can do that actually.
No,
Have
we
a
are
get
actually
together.
planning the Influencers Summit in December. So you will be, of course, one of them there. So we will keep you in the loop of things, how it shapes up. And we would love to meet you as well. There is no doubt.
Meeting people in the real is a different thing.
Absolutely.
It's a
Absolutely.
really different thing, because what you see online is totally sometimes can be fake. Literally can be fake, right? So meeting real people, having real talks, having real tea, it's amazing.
Of course. Wonderful. Wonderful. Excellent. It was so lovely meeting you, meeting you, and chatting with you, Yogita. And all the best for all of your ventures and everything that you do in life. I will talk to my team and see if they need additional information, or else I think, we'll keep you in the loop of how everything goes.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much. And I'm so grateful that you actually managed to be online, because I think you're coming from a travel, right? You must be tired also.
I'll find now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, it was amazing actually having this conversation. I actually received the questions an hour back only, but then I saw and I thought, I think I don't need to do any script writing for that. So yeah, I could be very candid here. So that's what I
No,
did.
no, wonderful. That's what I wanted. It's a conversation. I take this as a conversation. It's not an interview, really. Because, interviews to aap bahut de chuke ho ya doge. So that's a different thing. I want to know like your journey. I want to be your friend who just talks about your journey. That's it. So I think
It was
yeah,
amazing.
yeah, it
And thank you
was.
for reminding me that I came so far. So far. So far.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Lovely,
much. Thank you so
lovely
much,
meeting
everyone,
you.
for having me. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
yeah. Thank you.